Good morning, children. I hope you all enjoyed your autumn break. Children, for some reason, I'll not be able to take online class today. That is why I am sending this video. Go through the video properly and read the topics carefully. And if you have any doubt, you can ask me in our next online class. So let's start our new chapter. That is chapter number 12, Air, Water and Weather. Has it ever happened that when you are going to school in the morning, the sun is shining brightly, and while returning home, you find that it has become dark and cloudy? Now, how does the weather change so suddenly? So, let me tell you that the weather can change from day to day and in fact to hour. It also changes during the year. That means weather can change anytime during the year. Alright, so we will move to the next topic, that is sun and the weather. The sun causes changes in the weather conditions. The blowing of wind or the formation of clouds is due to the heat of the sun. Remember this one. The heat from the sun warms the earth during the day. It warms both land and the water. Remember that. The air on the ground also becomes hot. In this chapter, the most important line is the hot air is lighter, so it rises up. Alright, remember this line very carefully. And the cold air takes its place. This is why the wind blows. When the wind blows gently, it is called breeze. And you can feel breeze most of the time. Look at these two pictures. This is the picture of breeze. Now, another important line in this chapter is heating of land is faster than water. Remember that. This difference in the rate of heating up or cooling down gives rise to sea breeze and land breeze. This occurs especially in the coastal region. Coastal region is the place in which land area is close or near to ocean or sea. Those areas are known as coastal regions. Sea breeze and land breeze can be better observed if you will visit any coastal areas. Let us understand what is sea breeze. During the daytime, air above the hot soil becomes hot, but the air above the water remains cool. As the hot air rises up, cool air from the sea takes its place. Thus, a cool breeze blows towards the land during the day. Let us understand this phenomena by an animation. Look at here. This is a coastal area, and the sun is heating up the land area in the coastal area. Then what is happening? The hot air from the land will rise above, and there will be a gap. So the cool air from the sea will come towards the land to fill up the gap. Alright, so this flow will create a breeze, and that is known as the sea breeze because of the breeze is coming from the sea towards the land area. That is why it is known as the sea breeze. So I hope it is clear to you that the flow from the sea surface to the land area is known as the sea breeze because of it is coming from the sea. And exactly the opposite phenomena we can observe during the night time. So in the daytime we can feel the sea breeze, and in the night time we will feel the land breeze. So both of this will be exactly opposite. So next topic is the land breeze. Let us understand the land breeze. As the sun sets, that means at night, land cools faster than the sea. And it takes longer to heat up the water. That means water will also cool down very slowly. The rapidly cooling land has higher air pressure above it than the sea at the night time. So the air begins to flow from a high pressure area to a low pressure area, that is from the level of sea. This is called the land breeze and it blows at night. Now you have observed that when you go for a vacation, during the daytime you have observed that the land is so hot but the water is nicer and cool. Why is that? Because of water will take long time to heat up. And that is the main reason behind the land breeze. So let's summarize this. In the first picture, you can see that it is the daytime. So hot air from the land will rise above and there will be a gap. So the cool air from the sea will come towards the land to fill up the gap. Wind is coming from the sea. That is why it is known as the sea breeze. Alright, now during the night time, exactly opposite phenomena occurred. What happened then? During the night time, land will get cooler quickly, but the water will take longer time to cool down. So, warm air will rise above and cool air from the land will go towards the sea to fill the gap. The wind will blow from the land to the sea. That is why it is known as the land breeze. So I hope now it is clear to you that both of these phenomena are opposite of each other. Read these topics very carefully. Thank you, children.